So here's another one for the gear video, for the best gear. This little Stihl mini chainsaw, 12 volt. This is a winner. I mean, you know, that's not a small piece of wood. Hey, granted, you know, it's not 12 inches thick either. It's, to be honest, this little chainsaw wasn't my idea. It was Carla's idea. She wanted to clean out some of the underbrush, you know, close to the house. And wanted a chainsaw that's small enough that she felt like she could handle. Well, gotta be careful. It's been raining the last week around here, but it hasn't been raining a lot this year. Yeah, you didn't think it was going to get through that big one, huh? You were wrong. Got through it just fine. That's pretty good for something like this, and it's probably as much as I'm usually going to be cutting. So this is a winner. This right here. So there we are. We've got the solo stove. We've got the Stihl, and number 3, you need a rock pot. Everybody needs a rock pot. You need to go down to my affiliate link. You know, buy yourself a rock pot. Use the coupon, and make me a ton of money. So much money, I'm gonna retire on my rock pots. Let's do it.